Hi, welcome to my kitchen and to the March collaboration. We are having the March collaboration as we have for the last 3 years. This is our 4th year for Greg's Kitchen to be doing this. We have 14, maybe 16 other channels, and I'd like for you to go to every one of the channels because I've been copying down some wonderful recipes. And you know me, I love my casseroles. So far we have had some wonderful recipes. The one we had last night, I said I'm fixing that tomorrow. But then I remembered I had to do this one, so I guess I won't. But anyway, we're going to have some great casserole dishes for you. And we've got a great giveaway. It's our kitchen giveaway. It's not just the one item this year. It's a set of cutting boards, 2 sets of baking dishes, a food processor, and let me think here a minute. Food processor, cutting boards, baking dishes, and a carrier, food carrier. Anyway, it's wonderful, and you will love every item. You'll want to go to each and every one of the channels, watch them, make a comment, and register for a drawing. Now today, I'm going to make a simple, I don't know, I think this is just maybe a southern recipe, because I know my grandma made it a lot. My mama made it. It's a mixed bean casserole, and I don't think that's what they call it. I think they call it, you know what, I did it right. Give myself a hand. I did it right. It's just a mixed bean casserole, but it does have meat in it. So let's get going here. So we get it going. I'm cutting up an onion. It takes a small onion, which I put onion in about everything, if you know me. We love our onion, but we have to saute the onion. So I'm getting that cut up here real quick so we get that ready. And get that on to saute. I had my skillet going, had it hot. I've got butter in it. Butter. I had it going, had it hot, but had it too hot. So I had to turn it off. So we're going to put our onion in there and saute it. And then we're going to put in, we're going to put in our garlic. It says 1 garlic clove, but you know me, and I'm trying something new. I'm trying a garlic press. I guess it works. My husband's been trying to get me to get one of these things forever. Nah. It's okay, but I like my way. So I'll probably be doing them my way. And then we're going to put, I'm going to put a little bit of broth in that so it's got something to, those are sauteed really good. And I need a 1/2 cup of ketchup. That might be about a 1/2 cup. If I need more, I can add it later. And then we're going to mop off our fingers. Okay, that'll work. We need 4 frankfurters. And really, 4 don't sound like much, but it goes a long way. You can use hot dogs if you want. I just had frankfurters, so I thought and hot dogs, I just thought I'd use the frankfurters. And you just cut them up like so. These taste like hot dogs too. I'm going to put those in there. stir them up. Then I'm going to add a tablespoon of brown sugar. And then I am going to add a teaspoon. I like Dijon mustard. I probably didn't pronounce it right. Greg will let me know. He likes to catch me on that. But that's okay. I like to catch him sometimes too. And then you want to salt and pepper it. Now I'm not going to put any salt on it because I think everything's got enough salt on it for us. But salt it to your liking. Okay. Now it says add frozen lima beans. Oh my God, I love them. My husband don't care for them, so we're going to be adding Great Northern. Make it your own. So I'm going to add a can of those. And I did drain them, rinse them, and I'm going to add a can of kidney beans. Did that, drain them, rinse them. Going to add a can of baked beans. Okay, and you're going to get to this point and you're going to say, I need liquid. So, I guess I need this. So we're going to add a half a cup of red wine. Now, if you don't want to add red wine, you don't have to. You can add some more ketchup or something. I'm going to add red wine. Now the wine, if you don't want to add wine, you can add some more ketchup, you can add barbecue sauce, figure it out, whatever you all like, add it. Now we like wine, and I'm going to add half a cup of red wine, thereabouts. Ain't much more in there. So I'm sure that's more than a half a cup. That's okay. It'll be good. We're going to get that in there. And then I'm going to add, it says a half a cup of corn. I may add this whole can because I don't plan on using corn anymore this next couple days. We like corn, so I'm just going to add that whole can. That's what you call making it your own. Now at this time you're supposed to put it in the oven. Put it in your pan, prepared pan. It's cooking. Good. And I'm just going to leave it in my cast iron. And I'm going to leave it in there for 30 minutes. And after the 30 minutes, I'll bring you all back and we'll taste it. It's going to be delicious. It's a dish that everybody likes, and I'll tell you what, my grandma, when she made that, she never put 4 franks in it. She put 20 hot dogs in it, probably, because she had to make a big dish of it. Because Paul liked it, and all the guys that was working out in the fields liked it when they came in. And she'd make a big dish of it. And she'd always make cornbread with it too. She made cornbread with everything. Except, well, I think she made cornbread sometimes with breakfast. I tell you, that little lady just cooked and cooked and cooked. But that's what kept her going. So, I'll be back in a little bit. Okay, I'm back, and oh, this smells wonderful. Oh my goodness, I can smell the onions and all the beans and the meat. And it looks wonderful too. So, this is our bean casserole with our franks in it. just a good hearty meal. Goodness. Oh my goodness. Yum, yum, yum. Come on over. There's enough for all of us. Oh, that looks good. So we're going to see what this tastes like. It smells wonderful. Mmm. Make it a bigger bowl. I hadn't got a piece of that meat. Oh, that's so good. And you know, I know the wine is in there. It doesn't have, you can taste something that's different, but it doesn't give you that wine taste. So, you know, your liquor usually cooks out. So, but if you don't want to use the wine, use something else. Anyway, I appreciate you watching us today, and take care of yourself. We love you, and thank you bunches.